is let's add a new image object. So the first thing that we've done that you can see here is that the required metadata, which used to have rights statements and some licensing and some other things in it, now matches Tufts, which is that all that's required for our new work to be put in the repository is a title and the display portal. So let's make something. So here I can add something to multiple repositories or multiple display heads. And then again, right now we have just the defaults provided by Hyrax. And what we'll be doing over the next few days is aligning these, augmenting these, and removing any that don't make sense for the Tufts metadata model. So I will add that. We'll go ahead and create a work here. All right, so that should give me a work. And then I should be able to go back. The other thing that we've done is gone through, I think we mentioned that the Hyrax work generator had a little hiccup in it. The way that it generates new work types meant that it didn't honor the capitalization for any of the acronyms. So we've gone through and updated the displays, all the places that you might see a PDF, RCR, TEI, or EAD, which mostly involves the internationalization, the language files, but you'll see those appear properly as properly capitalized throughout the user interface. So that's one of the pieces that Jamie was working on the last day. So you'll see it there, and you'll similarly see it in edit forms and other kinds of display forms. You'll see it here, download a PDF. That's capitalized. That wouldn't have been previously. Oh, and it shows up in the new form. Go there for a moment. So if I added a new EAD, previously the capitalization had been incorrect on EAD, and that's fixed too. So pretty much anywhere those names of the objects appear in the UI, those are fixed. The other thing that we're working through right now as part of that metadata alignment is looking at the list of things that are provided in MIRA, the existing MIRA on Fedora 3, so that's our column MIRA FC3. Correlating that with what's encoded in Tufts Concerns, what's encoded in Fedora Migrate, what was expressed in the Tufts DCA spreadsheet that was provided to us, and then what is provided by default in Hyrax. So the things here in this spreadsheet that are highlighted in blue are the items that are the attributes that are provided by default out of the box for Hyrax. So we're figuring out what the gaps are and where we need to fill those in, and then we'll also be pulling out, as I say, the pieces that Hyrax provides that may not make sense in the Tufts ecosystem. So we're partway through this process right now, and you'll see we have ticket numbers to add the metadata where we have missing pieces. So many of the Tufts uses a much richer set of dates than Hyrax provides out of the box. So we'll be going through and doing those in coming days. Other than that, we'll have lots of metadata coming up to show. We're finishing up the LDAP integration, and then we're continuing to work through on the draft and the publication model. So those are where we're focused right now. We'll have another update tomorrow, And please feel free to email Shanita or I if you have any questions. Thanks much.